Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Docker on VS Code in just a few simple steps. First, before we can install the Docker extension in VS Code, you need to have Docker Desktop installed on your machine. Head to the official Docker website and download docker.dmg if you're on Mac, or Docker Desktop Installer.exe if you're on Windows. Run the installer on Windows. When prompted, make sure the Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V option is selected. On Mac, once the installation finishes, double-click docker.app in your applications folder to launch it. On Windows, just start Docker Desktop from your Start menu. Once Docker Desktop is running, you're ready to move on to VS Code. Open VS Code and click the Extensions button in the pane on the left side of your window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut that's Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Linux, or Shift-Command-X on Mac. The Extensions Marketplace will open. In the search box at the top, type Docker. You'll see a list of Docker-related extensions appear below. Look for the Docker extension. It's officially called Container Tools, and it's authored by Microsoft. Click the Install button next to it. The installation takes just a few seconds. Once the extension is active, you'll see a Docker icon appear in the left sidebar. Click on it. The Docker pane opens with sections for containers, images, and registries. If you see those sections, the extension is installed and working. A few quick tips. Docker Desktop needs to be running in the background for the extension to work, so make sure it's launched before you start using Docker in VS Code. The Docker pane shows all your running and stopped containers, images, registries, volumes, and networks, so you can manage everything directly from VS Code without switching to the terminal. You can also build images and run Docker commands right from the editor. One thing to note, you might see this extension listed as either Docker or Container Tools, depending on where you're looking, but they're the same extension from Microsoft. And that's how to install Docker on VS Code. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.